What's going on, guys? Barber CVO here in the building, getting ready to get my bike getting tuned right now by Dynojet Power Vision. And we have my boy here, Clemente's house, getting it done here, and we're about to get in. So what I have done to my bike is a new intake, new Vans and Hines power duals, and CFR's pipes. And the intake is by arlen, high flow. So we're about to get it tuned right now on the computer right now, getting ready. There you go. And then we're about to get on the road and get this puppy going so we can get that good power, the right power that's supposed to be. All right, so check it out in a few minutes. So we got my boy here doing checking out, what are we doing right now? Getting a tune Dynojet. Searching up the bike, getting it ready. There you go. So what is that we're pulling out right there?
This is the ECU harness plug.
ECU harness. There you go.
Can you turn it real quick?
Turn it on. All right. Okay. So remember, guys, he had this equipment already. All I had to do is just pay like $200 for the license, and then he could get it done. Loading tuner. Man, I can't wait to ride this, see how it feels. I've seen so many reviews on this, and like I said, they say it's crazy. So all it is just a cable and this thing, and that's it.
Yes.
Can you save your original one?
Could have before
Yeah.
I did it. Before I did what I just did.
Oh,
Too
alright.
late now.
Whatever.
I could have backed it up, but I normally really don't, because once you do tuning, who's gonna want to go back to stock?
True. Whatever. It's just more spending if something happens.
But no, either way, at the end of the day, I do have a tune that's above stock, so I could go almost back to stock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
Just in case.
It's just a little bit better. That's all.
Yeah.
Above stock price.
That's it, right?
That's it. I'm done. That's it.
All right, guys, we're gonna go on the ride and then hit the road, and we'll see how it runs. It should run really good and the right way. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're here